See if this thing will start.
Probably. It's very reliable.
So it's a little bit wounded.
It is a little bit, yeah. Yeah, so remember that moment when both the tyres exploded? Yeah, well, it's blown this whole part of the panel out, as well as broken off the fuel tank. It's done all this damage under here, bent all this and broken that. The dents on this side isn't too bad, and bent all that bit in. Yeah, it's so actually... it landed on the fuel tank.
Do you reckon that's what pushed the fuel cap up?
Yeah, it's pushed it all up. And it ripped. You can't really see it, can you? No, I'll show you on the bumper though. Ripped the bolts straight out of the car. And then this side here, it ripped them out of here. Yep, so there's that done. A little bit of repair work, a lot of panel beating. Fuel tank needs to be pulled off and checked. Also going to do some repair work to the diff. This here needs repairing here.
That wasn't from the burnout though.
Previous. A digger backed into it. What do you get?
That tyre's almost about to... Look at that!
The tyre's not exactly... Straight. Yeah. Good tyre, good tyre. Is there any damage in here? What do we got up here? You can see where it's broken off. The fuel tank pushed it and just went straight up. Broke the top off that. Bent that whole filler area. Easy fix. Smells a bit fuely in here. Probably wouldn't light a match. Nice. Oh, is he strong enough?
No.
Is the car jacked up enough? Should do a big burnout with these on.
I'm sure your neighbour would love it.
Yeah, she loves burnouts.
Yeah.
I put a curb rash on it. Did you do that? Did you curb it?
Yeah, I took it for a gyro when you weren't looking.
That doesn't surprise me. Alright, yeah, let it down. Nice. Easy as that. Oh well, we've got some repair work to do to it. Get it back to its former self. Alright, oh well, until next time. Guess we'll be back.